what's up? This is AtomiCSwift and welcome back to another one of my videos. If you've watched any of these previous videos, in this video I'm going to show you how to install macOS Monterey, the beta in VMware Workstation Pro. If you don't have Workstation Pro installed, I'm going to be doing this with VMware Workstation 16 Pro. You can go to their website and download it. I think there's a free version and a paid version. I don't remember, but this is the paid version. But anyway, VMware Workstation Pro 16 or Workstation 16 Pro, and you're also going to have to download two of the links that I've left in the description. The ISO file for the macOS Monterey and the Unlocker that enables you to install macOS in VMware Workstation, because right out of the box, whatever, you can't install macOS. It doesn't give you the option. So go download those, and then you can continue on with this video. But if you already have that stuff installed, so we're going to continue. So you're going to make, if you have VMware Workstation open, you want to close it. So hit exit. Make sure you go to File and Exit. Then you're going to take your Unlocker file. You're going to unrar it, and you're going to end up with a directory like this, Unlocker Master. And then what you want to do is you want to right click on win-install, run it as administrator, yes. See, it's going to patch all this stuff. And should be good to go there. Okay, one problem I just found that you might run into with the Unlocker, because as you could see in my in this earlier clip, when I opened VMware, even after running the install, it still did not show Apple macOS as an option. So I'm just going to show you here, because I'm going to uninstall my VMware Unlocker, and now we're going to run it again, and this time it'll work. See, it's patching everything. If you run the Unlocker and it doesn't show where it's patching all this stuff and it says Python not found, that's an easy fix. Don't worry, and it's a free fix. So what you do is you just go to your Microsoft Store. And then when it loads up, type Python. All I did was install this first one, Python 3.10. And let that click get. It'll install it, then you run it, and it's going to patch it. So now you can open your VMware Workstation. Create a new virtual machine. Typical, yes. I will install operating system later. See, there you go, macOS. And it's that easy to fix that. I hadn't had that issue before. That was weird. I never had anything ask for Python. Let's see. So what you want to do right here is you want to select macOS. Let's go with 11, because there's no 11.1 is what some people are saying to select. And we're going to go here. We're going to name it macOS Monterey. And then from there, I'm not going to install it there. I'm going to install it here. I like to keep all these organized. So virtual machines. You can save it wherever you want. You could have went with the default name that they gave you right there on your C drive. I didn't want to do that. So we're going to hit next. And then what you want to do is you want to increase the disk size to 124 gigs. And you want to set it as a single file. I don't know why you would do it as the multiple. I never did that before. And then from there, you're going to go to Customize Hardware. And you're going to select the, you can set the RAM. A good starting point is 8. I mean, you can go higher than that. Like I have 32, so I can go 16. So I'm going to go 16 just because I do have more RAM. And then you want to set the processor to 4. or you could set it to, you know, 1 and then 4 cores, whatever you want to do. I have 8 core processors. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Yep, and then hit close. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? I don't think so. So then you're going to hit finish. Alright, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to where you save that. So you're going to go to the VMX file. I mean, you can do this in any order. You can set the I should have set the path for the installation, but I didn't. But anyway, you're going to right click on your VMX file, and you're going to go to you're going to open it in Notepad. Wait, is it that one? I'm trying to think. What is the oh, actually, I think it's that file, isn't it? VMX. Yeah, so you're going to, that's right, the other one's VMDK. So you're going to go to open with Notepad. All you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom, and you're just going to add this line, smc.version, smc.version equals, whoops, sorry. All right, we're going to do space equals, huh? Yeah, we'll just do space equals, and then we'll do actually, you know what, to even make it easier, I'll put this down in the description too. You can just copy and paste it. Paste, see, there you go. And then you're going to go to File, Save. You should be good to go on that front. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up, which I should have did from the start. Was it settings? Yeah, it was settings. So then you go to CD drive, use ISO image, and then you're going to go to where the hell's my image at? It is Mac. Where the hell is that damn thing? It's in. Oh, okay, there we go. So it's that's right. So then you're going to go down to macOS. Is it 12? Yeah, it's 12. Yeah, there it is. 524.8. And then you're going to open that. Then you're going to click OK. Then you can power the machine on by clicking the play button. See, and it picked up the ISO right there. Yeah, sometimes it takes a second on here. I'm trying to save, motherfucker. Whoop. So just give it a second. If you think it hangs, in my previous video, one of these hung and it felt like it did stopped, but it didn't. See, so then you go to English, yes. Unless you're not unless you don't speak English, then select something else. But okay, so from here you're gonna go to install macOS 12 beta. Click continue. Okay, from here you're going to click continue, agree, yes, of course I agree to that. Well, select the disk where you want to install it. There's nothing. Oh, what the fucking hell is going on here? Is it loading? No. What the hell is going on here? Oh, you know what? I'm a dumbass. Why did I do that? Shit. Dumbass. No shit, right? You want to go to disk utility. That's right. It's been a while since I installed one of these damn things. So you want to go to disk utility. I can't believe I forgot that. Okay, so from there you're going to select VMware Virtual SATA Hardware Media. And then you're going to click Erase. Then you're going to name, you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it MacOs Monterey. Yeah, I mean that's good. And then APS format, and then click Erase. Yeah, that's right, GUID. See, so it's going to format the drive, it's going to mount it. Then you're going to click Done. And up here you're going to go to Disk Utility, quit Disk Utility. Now you should be able to install. I don't know how I forgot that step. I didn't forget that step last time, did I? Anyway, click Continue. I always forget about that damn disk. There we go. There we go. See, much better. So then you select that drive, click Continue. I don't know how I forgot that shit. I mean, if you've watched my previous videos, it's been a few years. Been a few years since I installed one of these. But anyway, as you can see, it's going to take 18 minutes to finish the install. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video, and then we're going to come back and you can see it running. Okay, so as you can see, the installation is completed. Now you just want to set up your country, your region. So we're going to scroll all the way down to United States. Arab Emirates, there we go. You're going to highlight United States, click Continue. And click Continue. Yeah, we don't give a shit about that, so we're not doing any of that. Local area network, yes. Yeah, we're not doing any of that. It should automatically, just like the other Mac OSs did, find the internet because I got it wired in. It's setting it up, I guess. Yeah, okay, yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. You can go through and set up internet later. I'm not even worried about it. Okay, then you're going to click Continue. We're going to click Not Now because I don't care about that. Then, of course, with all terms and conditions, you always click Agree. Yep, of course, we agree. We scrolled through all that shit, read it all. And we're just going to do you have to put a password? I guess you do. Okay, well. Alright. Now we're going to click Continue. Then it's going to create the account here. Okay, yeah, we can keep all that stuff on. It doesn't matter. Yeah, we ain't doing none of that. We're going to disable that because that annoys me. You can keep it on if you want. I don't need Siri. I'm not going to be doing anything that requires Siri. We'll just keep the light one. See, and there we go. So now you're actually in macOS Monterey. All right, so here we are now. I'm sorry, 3, 2, 1, action. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, we are in macOS Monterey. And something you always want to do when you install a new VM, just in case there's issues, you want to go up to VM, go to snapshot, take a snapshot. And then, yeah, so we'll just do macOS Monterey. In case you have issues, Monterey, nice. We'll just do it like that and take the snapshot. If you ever need to go back, you just go VM, revert to snapshot. Bring you right back to where it left off. Okay, one thing, now that you have macOS installed, macOS Monterey beta, you want to go to the Apple logo up here in the corner, go to System Preferences. You must do this, or else when you go to reboot the OS, it will hang on just a black screen. So you want to go into Users and Groups, and you want to go to your main name, which mine's AtomiCSwift. Go to Login Options, double click the lock right here. It's going to ask you for your password. Enter the password. Then click Unlock. Then you can change this stuff. And what you want to do is you want to go up here. Your thing's going to say automatic login none or something like that. Use a little drag down, or it's going to say off maybe. And then go to your Atomics, your whatever your username is. Like I said, mine's AtomiCSwift. And then switch it to your account. It might ask you for your password. I don't remember because I just did it a few minutes ago. And then you can safely reboot the machine. But one good thing about this is now, let's see, you want to eject the macOS 12 beta. And now you want to go up to the main menu here, go to VM, go to Install VMware Tools. Here's the main thing, because once you install VMware Tools, it's going to have you reboot. So if you don't enable the automatic login, it's just going to hang on a black screen. You're never going to be able to open it up again. So you double click on it, continue, install. And I think it's going to ask for password again right here. But yeah, you must, like I said, you must enable automatic login, or else once you reboot, like I said, it'll hang on a black screen. You won't be able to get back into the this virtual machine. It'll just hang every time, and there's nothing you can do. See, so it says system extension blocked. Go to open. See, it says system extension block, open, security preferences. Now what you want to do is you want to double click this lock, enter your password again, click unlock. And then it says system software from developer VMware, select allow. And then it says a restart is required before new extension can be used. Just go ahead and select restart. Oh, and then, so installer interrupted the restart. You must restart, okay. So you just hit restart from there. And if you didn't know, or if you never watched one of my previous videos, VMware Tools or VM Tools, what it does is it makes the virtual machine run better. It can improve the graphical resolution. It can improve the speed of the VM. Any lag you might have with the mouse pointer or with the virtual machine in general. So you always want to install VM Tools after you get the operating system installed, no matter what operating system it is on VMware. Come on. And I'm interested to see because, like I said, this is my first time installing Monterey. And, well, I installed it once before, but I didn't install the VM tools and try to change the resolution and stuff like that. Because if you watch my previous videos, there was a special thing you had to do to change the resolution. But from what I've read online, VM tools might just do that automatically. And it did. See, look at that. Look at that. So there we are. We are into macOS and with VM tools installed, which you can see these menus are already coming up quicker. We're going to double click on Mail. Did I not double click? There we go. That was weird. Why did it hang for a second? There we go. See, everything comes up much quicker now. That's the end of my video. That's how you install the macOS Monterey beta onto VMware Workstation 16. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching all my videos. Thanks for all likes, comments, subs. And as always, bye for now.